Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how you can stop Spotify from adding songs to your playlist. So right here I have the Spotify app open and I will go to my library, and as you can see right here I have created this playlist just for this tutorial to show you how it works. And right here, as you can see, I have the songs that I have added to my playlist, and of course there are the songs that Spotify added to my playlist. So the thing is that I don't want Spotify to add any songs to my playlist, and I want to use my songs and the songs that I want to listen to. So the thing that I want to do right here is add more than 15 songs to my playlist, because if you have more than 15 songs in your playlist, then Spotify will not add any songs. So I'm just going forward and I will add some random songs just to show you how this works. And I'm going to make sure that I have 15 songs in my playlist. So as you can see right here, I have more than 15 songs into my playlist, and as you can see right here, there are no songs that Spotify added to the playlist. So the thing that you have to do is make sure you always have more than 15 songs in your Spotify playlist, so that the app doesn't add any more songs in your playlist. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.